years. You will see him gonna play the talking drum. No. Talking drum. Yes, that is the talking drum. And that drum can call anyone out here. You soon hear the drum talk. Yes, you had that drum, and you had the gym there. And you had the Congo drum. No, it never matter if we have all the same drums. It never matter at all. Once drum start playing, and we feel it with him.
Yes, Doctor.
Whenever we to a communal session, I hear the drum.
One more time.
you say the party where you go down the street, I don't think me ever go dance off my feet. So, I don't know about but I don't think me ever know how to hear music up here.
For yourself and the room ram and the spooky, yeah, and the bad man forward, bad man pull up. Did you know that all of them dances came from Africa? No, they were done in the form that they're in now, but it was the African dances that they saw. And they either add something to it or took away something from it and give it a name. Because, Byron, we are young people, don't we? And we now got dance go to Kumina. When we got so hold on. Tell me when they got dance in a year. Everybody do the Raging Bull. Raging, are you going to Kumina? Eh? You know, the one race like a mad bull. Yes, but you see, back in the days when Kumina did their own things, hold on, I'm going to get somebody to come show you how the Kumina do. No, back in the days, this is how they used to dance. And ready, 1, 2, 3. Look at the girl, the brown girl over there. Never mind, brown people not ready, but you have an idea what to do. Ancestors used to dance. Now, we're going to take this again. Question number 1. We never forget. In which month did, hold on. in which month and year did the British sign the documents for and in when? I wish part to get that. From me? Yes. When they say so. Me never they say so. I know me say so. I mean, I thought they say so. Well, that is so correct. Clap yourself. Now, you see on that plantation, them have one big house. What is the name of that house? Lord of the Bride, sir. Alright, since I was the boy I couldn't bride, I have one brain buster pull up. How did Happy came to Jamaica? Miss, I want you to send up one person to come tell me the story. One person. Come Cape on. Come tell me how Happy came to Jamaica.
Africa was thinking so when some foreigners came and took me away like a slave ship. And in the cold, the African